How do you change the color of the drop-down icon on your WordPress menu? This is a common question I see quite a lot. At the moment, we've got a bit of a triangle icon, and when you hover over it, you have the same color. Now, you could go over to your style and you could change the typography colors here, hover and active. But what that will do is change the color of your text and the icon. But what if you only want to change the icon? It's really simple and easy with a tiny bit of CSS code. All you got to do is click on your WordPress menu, go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to Custom CSS, and then drop this code in. I've got selector. If you've got a class name for your WordPress menu, you can do that. And you can almost instantly see it's already changed it, because I've said the sub arrow, the color and the fill is FF0050. So I've gone for that color. When I hover over it, that is the color you are now going to see. So if you wanted to have a different color for your text, you go and do your normal styling for your drop downs and whatever, you can do all of that here. But you're missing the option to change the actual icon over there. But now you can with a tiny bit of CSS code. It's in the video description. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I'll see you soon.